CAD versus reality, Keel design and CNC-ing first templates. So I've got a small side project that I'm working on alongside Chris from the Ghost Ship. And this is where it started. I've commented this on his video. And if you want, I might be able to make you a fin for the trip. The boat they have is a fantastic aluminium exploration vessel, 2B. It's far from finished, and it's here in Switzerland, and they want to go over the French channels and cross from France over to the UK. But there's a problem. They don't have a keel. After Chris sent me the original CAD files of his boat, I designed this temporary lifting keel in Fusion 360. It consists out of 3 parts: the sliding plate, the adapter, and the keel itself. Before making any of that, I wanted to first check if the CAD files actually represent the reality. So I've designed some templates to check on the boat where we're at, come back to the CAD file, adjust everything, and hopefully create a keel that fits and can lift up and down. Man, I found myself something to do, eh? So I'm ready for action, but first need to put some coffee in my face and then let's go to the CNC. What are you guys doing? What's happening? Hey, crazy cat. So let's cut out the outline of the stock first. So here are the templates I made. This should be the opening of the hull where the keel goes in. And this should be the inside of the keel box. Made it in 2 separate pieces so we can bring it in and check for measurements and how well it's made. I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Hello, mate.
Hey, man.
How you doing, bud? Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you as well.
Hi, nice to meet you, Jenni.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Jenni.
I think it's fair to say we instantly dove deep into conversations about our projects and passion for what we do and are trying to achieve. What did I come to do here again? Oh yeah.
Oh, these are the templates, huh?
Yeah.
I think the way that you've drawn it is absolutely fine.
CAD versus reality. The templates were already made 2mm smaller as the CAD, and still Chris and I had to take off material at several places.
Let's try it.
Yeah. Well, money.
Does it work?
Yeah.
So it's really simple actually. It's also 3 layers of ply, and then you have a bit of
A bump zone.
a bump zone.
Bump zone sounds good.
Now, the thing about this entire construction is that we have to build it and it has to fit. but we don't get to test it until we lift the boat up.
What?
Yes.
In the following week, the design changed from this to this. The adapter got shorter since it really just needs to guide the trailing edge of the keel. A steel tubing spine was added and lifting points optimized. The bottom cap got the sliding part added on the leading edge, which will be later cut off for the real keel. Now it's on to machining this part and the adapter to check one last time on the ghost ship. So side one is now done. There have been some bevels, yeah, all looking fine. Now comes a tricky bit. We have to turn it around and do the other side of the machining. After these parts are made, we're on the full build and it has to fit. Now go over to the Ghost Ship, check out their story, subscribe to the channel and find out if these parts are spot on or not. Somebody told me it will be in one of their upcoming videos.